In a recent update, we anticipated that PCAs would soon begin finding aphids infesting local lettuce and coal crop fields. Thus far, we have not found any colonizing aphids and have spotted only an occasional alate or winged aphid. Timing of aphid colonization in leafy vegetables varies by species and depends largely on temperature, rainfall, and planting dates. However, my experience over the years, as well as my observations in numerous field trials, suggest that aphid species that infest leafy vegetables are historically most severe on crops planted from mid-November through December. Again, through mid-November through December. Of course, there are always exceptions to this rule, and aphids can occur on earlier or later plantings, and often when they're least expected. Nonetheless, you should begin planning now for spring aphid management. Growers and PCAs have effective options for aphid management on spring leafy vegetable crops. First, there's the responsive approach that relies on foliar insecticide sprays to reduce aphid numbers when they are found on the crop. A number of insecticides are currently available that have cost-effective activity against most aphid species when applied as foliar sprays targeted at aphid populations as they begin to colonize the plant. There's also the preventative approach, where growers can apply a number of neonicotinoid insecticides at planting, generally 1.5 to 2 inches below the seed line. The insecticide is taken up by the roots, systemically translocated throughout young plants for several weeks following emergence, and ultimately this prevents aphid colonization during early plant development. Both approaches can be very effective and both can be used on the same field. Among the neonicotinoids, imidacloprid has been the standard soil insecticide applied on spring lettuce and other crops for aphid control for almost 20 years, and it continues to provide long residual control when used properly. Most recently, Movento, with its excellent systemic activity against aphids via foliar application, has been incorporated into lettuce IPM programs along with a number of other novel insecticides which have aphid activity. However, the question has recently been posed: which of these two approaches to aphid management is better? Well, our research suggests a combination of both. That is, imidacloprid applied at planting, followed by a foliar insecticide or insecticide applications, if needed, when or under heavy late-season pressure by winged aphids. For more information on this topic, please visit our website in the research report entitled Aphid Management on Head Lettuce Using Imidacloprid and Foliar Insecticides. Remember, when in doubt, scout.